In this video, we'll learn about automated quote request emails in Loocey. These will save tremendous amount of time by minimizing manual email creation and sending for RFQs. Go to the bidding board and open the item to see the details. Let's look at the supplier quotes section. This is the section we use to show the manufacturers or suppliers that we can use to get quotes from. Note, when we copied the solicitation, system also copied the approved sources for the given RFQ and placed them in this list along with additional information. But if we had our own supplier for this product, we can also easily add our supplier to the list. Simply click on Add Item and select the supplier to the list. If you don't see your supplier, you may first need to add them in the Global Supplier list. You do that by going to Suppliers tab on the left menu, then go to the list and add our new supplier. Let's add an example supplier called My Best. Supplier, add additional details, such as cage code, website, and email. Once done, let's get back to our RFQ details. Click on Add Item on the Supplier Quotes tab and start typing My Best. You should see the newly added supplier. Simply select. We should see the part number, company name, cage code, website, quoting, and other details. We also have a status column, which will help us keep track of RFQs, what we've sent to suppliers on this list. To start the RFQ sending process, select all the items in this list and select Bulk Email Sender from the context menu. This will open our bulk email sender and show the selected suppliers in the pop-up. Let's close this for a second. Note, our quoting column is also important. If you want to skip a certain supplier for any reason, simply go to Suppliers list again, find the supplier, and change the status in quoting column to skip. This setting will be populated and show us the quoting status of a given supplier for any future RFQs. Let's try refreshing our RFQ detail page, and we'll see that system now shows us to skip one of the suppliers we just changed. This is important because we don't want to send RFQ emails to all the suppliers in the list. We want to send it to only the suppliers who are giving us a good price or we have a relationship with. Often, some suppliers can be considered as competitors as well if they're bidding direct in DLA, which is why it's important that we don't alert everyone about the existence of this specific RFQ to keep the competition lower. This time, let's only select the suppliers that we have marked as yes in quoting column and open the bulk email sender again. As you can see, the system will skip the other ones and only show the suppliers we selected. Next, let's understand the email template generated for each supplier. Notice as you click on each supplier, the email, subject, and email content will change. System will automatically recognize the part numbers, cage codes, and other details related to each supplier and populate our email template with the specific details of the supplier. This is critical as we don't want to send the same email to all suppliers. Each supplier email must have the details related to the supplier or manufacturer, including the unique part number, which may be different for each supplier. Note, the Send feature is currently disabled as we're building an advanced email marketing module, which will allow you to connect your email to Loocey and send these emails using your email provider. It's important that the supplier gets your RFQ emails from your company's email so they don't get ignored or marked as spam. However, in the meantime, you can simply copy-paste the different parts of the email, such as the email, subject, and content, and use your favorite email client to send the email. Let's close the pop-up. Next, properly set the statuses as you send the RFQ emails or when receiving the quotes back. Click on Status for each supplier and set the proper status. Note, these statuses are editable. You can edit and change the status types. For instance, let's add a new status called Call to get a quote. Choose purple color and save.